For today's video, we wan talk about green poo for your poultry beds. Sometimes, many farmers dem dey worry, dem dey panic anytime when dem see green poo for their chicken house. Well, e dey very important make you panic or worry and know the color of your poultry chicken poo, because when you try to know the chicken poo for your poultry farm, e go tell a lot of information about your poultry bed. So it is very important make you know the color of your chicken poo. That one go fit help you know wetin you go do when you experience something like that. So for today's video, we wan talk about green poo. We'll talk about the causes of green poo and how we go take tackle such a problem. We get like 4 reasons why your chicken dey shit green. Number 1, when you no dey feed your bird with enough feed or water, dem go shit green poo. Because the bile when dey secreted to digest those feed, since you no see anything to work on, e go come out with the poo. So you go experience something like green poo. Another one na when you dey feed your bird with vegetable or green seed, dem go shit green poo. Like those people when dey practice free range type of poultry farm, their bird go eat green vegetable, dem go eat green seed. So when dem eat green seed or green vegetable, dem go shit green poo. But when you notice something like that, no worry, na normal thing. The next one na disease. Disease such as Newcastle disease or fowl cholera fit make your bird shit green poo. Another one na hot weather. Hot weather too dey follow make your bird to shit green poo. These na the causes of green poo for your poultry farm. So now, how you go take tackle green poo for your poultry farm? 1, since you don know wetin cause that green poo, e go fit help make you tackle am. Like for example, if na say you no dey feed your bird well before you come dey experience something like that, e dey very important make you feed your bird quality feed. It go help to stop. 2, if you don do free range and you notice say your bird dey shit green poo, leave am, na normal something. Because when bird eat vegetable or green seed, that decent thing dem go shit out. So na normal something. Now, if na disease dey cause that green poo, na to tackle am. As we don talk before, fowl cholera and Newcastle disease dey make your chicken dey shit green poo or greenish watery or greenish poo. So if na fowl cholera, if you detect something like that, immediately make you use this drug wey dem dey call sulfaquinoxaline, sulfamethoxazine or sulfamerazine. You fit use enrofloxacin and fosfomycin to treat the disease. You go give the bird this drug for 5 days. You fit use super music care or you use Corella cure to fight that type of disease. Now, if na Newcastle disease, as we know, Newcastle disease no get cure, and na viral disease e be. So when you notice something like that, the best thing to do na to vaccinate the bird to prevent the disease. You need to repeat the vaccine many times during the life of this chicken in order to make the bird get strong immune system against that thing. The first vaccination, you go fit give your bird during the 7 days with the normal strain and location. The next vaccination, you go do am between 4 and 12 weeks of the life of the chicken. During this period onward, the chicken, you need to vaccinate am with Lasota vaccine every 3 months. So when you do all this one, you go help to fit stop this green poo. Because as we know, green poo dey very stubborn. E fit wipe your entire poultry farm. As we know, for cholera, fowl cholera, e dey make your bird shit greenish watery poo. So the poo go dey watery and e dey green. While for Newcastle disease, na green whitish poo dem join together. So all this one dem join together. So when you follow this method wey we just talk for this video here, you go fit help to stop the spread of green poo in your poultry farm. Hope say you enjoy the video. Subscribe to DIY Farm channel. Follow DIY Farm channel